Back here on Geoff and Kent's T-Bird, as you can see, we got some more of the trim in, getting that situated. Just checking everything electronically. Oil pressure light works, fuel gauge is working, because there wasn't much gas in this car. The clock's running. Lights are on, says the high beams are on. There's left turn, we'll go check it while we're turning left. The high beams on. Left turn working. Let's go to the back side. It's gonna be hard to see it in the sun. No, there. It's working. All right. Let's go check our right turn signal. Almost died. We're working. All right, let's go up here and check the front. Got our high beams. Got the turret. Good to go. Got the battery on the charger because this thing's been sitting for eternity. Let's go switch on the low beams. Turn off the turn signal. Alright, go to. There's the switch. Gotta get a footsie in there. There we go. Should be low beams. Turn signal. Shut up. Should be on low beams. Beautiful. Beautiful. Trying to see if we got cluster lights, but it's hard because it's bright. Let's go down to, oh yeah, you can see cluster lights, look. There it is. Okay, let's go check the tail lights just sitting. Functioning. Hard to see it, but functioning. Hooray. License plate light. Oh, yep, there it is. Up in there. Flip the camera around. Whoop. There we go. All right. So that mission is accomplished. All right, let's turn the key off. I still need to ground the radio. And when I was upside down under the dash. Oh, also, get ahead of myself. The blower was on. There we go. There it goes. Still gotta do the radio. Gotta hook up the ground for that. A couple other things. Oh, and the wiper switch, I also noticed when I was under there, she was, for lack of a better term, not hooked up. So I gotta find its pigtail and hook it back up. But progress. Radio's working. Let's save the preset. Just change the channel.
And predictably,
Turn it off. Watch, turn off the key. Turn the key back on. Oh. Of course, I bumped the damn blinker. Turn it on. Its memory works.
and it's
Presets. Got the speaker sitting up there right now because I'm chasing a little more electrical. Wrap that.
How about you move over my way? That's right, just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna get the next round. We can drink about it. Let's get the thing.